Hi children, good morning. This is your EVS class. Okay children, take your workbook page number 28. Workbook page number 28. Okay children, see here. Answer the following questions. First question. Name the different seasons. How many seasons are there children? Do you know? Yes, very good. There are three seasons: summer, rainy, winter. Okay children, write down in first box. S U M M E R, summer. RAINY, Y down letter. Rainy, and third one is winter. Third one is winter. Summer, rainy, and winter seasons. Okay. Second question. What type of clothes should we wear in summer? We should wear what type of clothes in summer? Yes, cotton clothes. Why? Because they keep us cool. Okay, start writing. Capital W E V, finger gap, SHOULD, should. Again give index finger. Next, WEAR, where. Again give index finger gap. COTTON, cotton. Next, CLOTHES, clothes. Give little finger gap here. Okay. Next, in summer. In summer. Write neatly children. Third question. When do we wear a raincoat? We wear raincoat in which season? Rainy season. Write down children. Capital W. Give little finger gap. WEAR, where. RAINCOAT, coat, raincoat. in RAINY, rainy. SEASON, season. SEASON, season. We wear raincoat in rainy season. See children, fourth question. What type of clothes keep us warm? Woolen clothes keep us warm. Start writing children. Capital W OOLLEN, woolen. Little finger gap. CLOTHES, clothes, woolen clothes. Give little finger gap. KEEP, keep. Again give little finger gap. Write down US, us. Give little finger gap. WARM, warm. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Next question, fifth one. Why do people wear clothes? Why do people wear clothes? Because people wear clothes to protect their body from heat, cold and rain. Okay children, start writing. P, capital P, upward letter. Should write upward letter P. P-O, P-L-E. P, downward letter. People. W-E-A-R, wear. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. People wear clothes. 2. P, down letter, to protect. T-H-E-I-R, there. B-O-D-Y, body. Y, down letter. F-R-O-M, from. H-E-A-T, heat. Comma. C-O-L-D, cold. Give little finger gap between comma and another word. Cold. A-N-D, and R-A-I-N, rain. People wear clothes to protect their body from heat, cold and rain. Okay children, next question. What kind of boots do you wear in rainy season? What kind of boots do you wear in rainy season? Start writing children. Capital W, E, V. Give little finger gap. Write wear. W-E-A-R, wear. Give again little finger gap here. Write down gumboots. G, down letter. G-U-M, B-O-O-T-S, gumboots. I-N, in. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. S-E-A-S-O-N, season, rainy season. We wear gumboots in rainy season. Seventh question. Why don't animals need clothes? Why? Because animals' body is covered with coats like wool, fur and skin. So they need not clothes. Write down children. Start writing. Capital A, N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Give little finger gap here. Write down B-O-D-Y, body. Y, down letter. Write in between two lines only. Write neatly children. I-S is C-O-V-E-R-E-D, covered. W-I-T-H, with. T-H-I-C-K, thick. S-K-I-N, skin. Comma. Give between comma and another word. Give again little finger gap. Wool. Little finger gap and finger gap, fur, full stop. So after full stop also you give little finger gap. SO, so THEY, Y down letter. They, NEED, need. NOT, not. CLOTH, ES, clothes. Animal's body is covered with thick skin, wool and fur. So they need not clothes. Next, 8th question. When does your father wear formal clothes? When does your father wear formal clothes? Write down children, capital M, Y down letter, my, FATHER, father, WEARS, wears, FORMAL, formal, CLOTHES, clothes, WHEN, when, GOES, goes, TO2, WORK, work. My father wears formal clothes when he goes to work. See children, state true or false. It rains heavily in summer. Okay children, it is true sentence? No. It is false. FALSE, false. See children, next second one. We wear warm clothes in winter. Yes. Why? Because in winter season we feel very cool. So in that season we wear warm clothes. Why? Warm clothes keep us warm. So it is true. TRUE, true. Next, it is very cold in summer. In summer season we feel very cool, huh? No, in summer season we feel very hot. This is false. FALSE, false. Next, we put on raincoat in rainy season. Yes, very good. It is true. We feel hot in winter season. In winter season we feel very cool. But here what is given? In winter season we feel very hot. This is false sentence, not true. FALSE, false. Animal wear no clothes. Yes, animals wear no clothes. It is true. Write neatly children without any mistakes. Next, we use umbrella in rainy season. Yes? Yes, it is true. Next, we wear cotton clothes in summer. Yes, cotton clothes keep us very cool. So in summer season we wear cotton clothes. Next, 9th one. Leather shoes get spoiled when soaked in water. Leather shoes get spoiled when soaked in water. Yes children, it is true or false? Yes, it is true. Gumboots doesn't spoil in water. But leather shoes spoil when soaked in water. Gumboots are made of cloth. Made of cloth, it is correct? No. Gumboots are made of plastic. So they are waterproof. So this is false sentence. FALSE, false. Woolen clothes keep us cool in the summer season. No. Woolen clothes We should wear woolen clothes in winter season only, not in summer season. So it is also false. F-A-L-S-E, false. See children, next, filling the blanks. See children, filling the blanks. The body coats protect the animals from the dash, dash and dash. In first blank, what is the answer children? Yes, heat. H-E-A-T, heat. Right, starting onwards children, neatly. Next blank, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Next blank, R-A-I-N, rain. The body coats protect the animals from the heat, cold and rain. Full stop. Next, we wear dash clothes to keep ourselves warm. Woolen clothes, right? W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. Cotton clothes keep us cool. C-O-O-L, cool. Full stop. Never wear dash color clothes in summer. Never wear black color clothes and dark color clothes in summer. Next, we protect ourselves from rain by using dash and dash. Umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella, and gumboots, G down letter. You should write G down letter children, gumboots. Darker colors absorb more heat than light colored clothes. Okay children, write down page number 28 in workbook, page number 28 and page number 29. Write down children these two pages in your workbook without any mistakes. Okay children, we will meet again in next class. Bye.